Mr. BMX Riders, and today I'll be doing a bike check. As we go here, we have ODI long neck grips, and then the cold butter handlebars, and then we got a stock stem. As we go down, we have a stock headset, and then we have Calty hard tires, and then we have a shadow stunt wheel complete. For pegs, I have a Primo plastic peg, and then the Shadow hub, front hub. We have STR Fit Co frame, stock 2. For the seat, we have a Shadow Conspiracy seat. Had a really long time, just had this little, I can stitch this soon. And then we have Amber sprocket, full length chain. And then we have Fit by Co and that cranks. For the pedals, we have Odyssey JCPC pedals, last a long time. For the back wheel, we have complete. No wait, what is it? Called hub. Laced to Odyssey Quanjet. And then for the back, we have another plastic Primo peg. I'm not sure about the back hub, but it might be.
Back hub is called the cold hub guard.
Yeah, cold hub guard. And I think that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Epic BMX Edit.